Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we are making a Cajun classic jambalaya. We're going to take our Box Zatarains and elevate that up with a dark roux that we make from scratch. You guys are going to love this recipe. We're going to start off by slicing up our smoked sausage. Today I'm using a Cajun kielbasa. And the next thing we're going to do is cut up our pepper, and kind of like the French with mirepoix, right? That's a fun word, which is carrots, onion, and celery. In Louisiana, not a lot of carrots really grow there, so they just use what they have, which is bell pepper. So that's their version of the mirepoix, which is bell pepper, onion, and celery. And of course, you can't forget the garlic. They love their garlic, and so do I. That's why we're good friends. So we're going to chop up our pepper. We're going to get our celery chopped up as well. I like to just take one slice down the middle of it. And we'll turn around and just slice it up. Nothing crazy here, guys. We're just trying to eat today. Of course, we're going to use that green onion. We'll use the whites for the actual roux that we're going to make a little bit later on here. And we're going to take the greens as our toppings for later and garnish it up. So we're going to have our pan, a little bit of avocado oil in while we sear up our sausage. Just takes a few minutes. Get it nice and brown and crispy, just like so. Oh, it's looking good. All right, so once that is done, go ahead and just look at that for a minute. Oh, man. Go ahead and take that guy, remove it from the pan. Avocado oil in again. And we're using a neutral high smoke point oil, guys. If we use a butter for our roux, it's just going to get bitter and rancid and not good. So anytime you're making a dark roux, go ahead and use a high smoke point oil. We're just going to go kind of like half a cup of each here, flour to oil. And what we're looking for is the consistency of wet sand. So it'll take just a minute, but we're making this roux in real time right here, y'all. No stops, no cuts, no edits. And you're going to see this turn from a blonde roux all the way down to the color of a Hershey's chocolate bar. That's what we're looking for. So if this is your first roux, I would suggest taking it a little low and slow, about 15-20 minutes. But man, I've been doing this for a minute, so I like to get it done quick. It only takes a few minutes here. And it's okay. Look, if you burn the roux, we've all done it. just get it out the pan and start over. No big deal. But yeah, you'll see this kind of thicken up. Also, guys, thank you so much for your support on this channel. So far, we have been really enjoying this. I can't tell you how much I appreciate y'all support, your likes, your comments. Thank you so much. But stay tuned, because we're about to take this thing to a whole new level. The direction of this channel, I have a heart for outside and barbecuing, so you will be seeing that very soon. So stay tuned for that and get excited like me. Okay, guys, this is about pretty close to where we want to be. That wet sand is looking good. It tastes a lot better than wet sand, I promise you that. But this stuff is so hot, guys, that when we put our veggies in here, usually, it takes like 5 to 7 minutes to sweat the celery and the onions down, but it only takes a couple of minutes because this thing is so hot, man. I'm telling you, it don't take long at all to cook it down and to soften those veggies up. And we're going to hold off on the garlic. We're going to put them in a little bit later so they don't burn. So just give this thing a good mix. That is looking perfect. And it's smelling so good. Oh my gosh. Listen, I've never been to Louisiana, but I'm telling you, if I ever get to go, I better be smelling this right here. And now we add in that garlic. Oh yeah, that's looking good now. So now we're just gonna add in a little bit of water. I believe I went with about 2.5 cups. And we want that flour to cook off real good as well. So once we get this in here and bubbling, get it to a boil, and then take that heat down to a simmer and just let that guy roll for about 30 minutes to an hour. And you're gonna have all those flavors just soak up. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Also, don't forget the black pepper, y'all. We gotta go in with lots of black pepper. True Cajuns know what I'm talking about. And of course that kosher salt. So just season it up to your taste. Oh yeah, this is looking good now. So once we have it all simmering, go ahead and add that meat back in. Get it all warmed up. And then it goes in the rice. Give that a stir. Y'all, this turned out so good. Put that lid on, let that baby simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is about the halfway mark right here. And that's what we're looking like. Oh yeah. We getting there, y'all. All right, this is just about done. I think that consistency is perfect. So we're gonna go in with our garnish, some green onion. Oh yeah, just look at that, man. I'm telling y'all what, if you don't want a bite of this, there's something wrong with you, okay? Woo! Oh.